In this video, I will show you how to grow a Facebook group fast without any stress. First thing first, open up your Facebook app. Go ahead and click on this three slider from the top. So I'm going to go ahead and click on groups right here. Then go ahead and click on your groups. Then select your personal group that you want to grow faster. So I'm going to use a particular group as an example right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this particular group right here. Just like so. Next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on manage right here. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to promote group right here. Then here you go. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on edit ad preview to change your ad image. So you click on edit ad preview. This allows you to add different information to the ad. Add text right here. Just like so. Now you can see I have add text right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on save changes. So we have it right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and scroll down right here. Then go ahead and set your target audience and location. For that, go ahead and click on edit. Then you can work on the region. For that, go ahead and click on location. Then you can decide to target more different location. For that, go ahead and click on location right here and type in another location. United States. Then go ahead and hit on save right here. Just like so. So you can add as many as possible number of locations right here. Next thing you can do right here is to work on the interest. Go ahead and click on add interest. So here you can decide to choose different kind of interest. So go ahead and click on browse interest. Then what are the area you are looking at? From here you can choose anyone related to your group. So I'm going to choose business and industry. Then here I'm going to add different industry that relate to my ad right here. However, if you cannot find any related industry, just leave it unchecked, then go back. The next thing you want to do is to come here. You can enter by manually and enter some of the interests you want. Once you are done, go ahead and hit on save. Then you are done. Then you have to make sure you work on age right here. So control the age from 18 to 65. If you want people that are more than 18 years to have access to this group, just increase this slider right here. So I'm going to simply drag this slider, which means that between the age of 30 to 65, those are the ones that will have access to this group. Once you are done, scroll down right here and see your possibility reach. So estimated audience reach is between 166 million to 169 million with this particular age range and this location right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on save audience. Boom, your audience is fully broad. Next thing we want to do is to scroll down right here, and then we want to make sure we work on our daily budget. So here we go. For the daily budget of this amount, I'm going to reach the so certain number of people. So you can scroll down and review everything right here. How long you want to run your ad, then what are the specific budgets you are looking at, just like so. Then I can decide to make it a 6,000 plus on a daily budget. How long you want to run the ad, I can decide to reduce the days of the ad. So for 3 days, for 2 days, and then this is the end date for the ad that to run And just like so, you will spend this amount per day, which is going to give us the total amount of this for 2 days. Next thing we want to do right here is to simply scroll down right here and review our ad budget. So the total ad budget including tax is 7,000 plus. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on Boost Group. So here we go. Your available funds are low. Before we can boost the group, we need to top up our ad account. For that, you have different options right here. Choose amount or go ahead with order, which allow you to choose to type in a specific amount of money. Having selected the amount you want to fund to boost your group, you can use some different means of payment right here. This is depends on the number. This is depends on the country region. In my country right here, in my country right here, debit or credit card is allowed, whether Visa or MasterCard. Pay by USSD is also allowed. Pay in Naira with FAFU, Visa or MasterCard is also allowed, and likewise pay with bank transfer. So whichever way, just choose amount. Whichever way, just choose any means of payment method that are available to you. Once you choose it on next right here, and then fund your ad account. Immediately you fund your ad account, Facebook is going to review your group ad settings, and once you meet up with criteria of ad setting in Facebook is going to grant your ad and your group will be live, just like so. Just like what you see right here, this is account for me to make payment into Facebook ad account, and the account will expire within this period of time. All I have to do is to simply click on here to copy the account number and make payment into this particular account number with the bank name on behalf of Facebook ads. Once I make the payment, my ad will be submitted and approved within few minutes. And with that, your Facebook group will start be exposing to different set of people you target in your ad, and you grow your Facebook page fast, and you grow your Facebook group faster to get a more relevant member to your Facebook group. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.